Hello, friends. So, if you are an agency or a freelancer offering design services for your clients, I think you should consider Headspin Figma library for wireframes. And the main reason is that with this, you don't have to start from scratch like anymore because Headspin has more than 400 pre-built wireframes and more are coming like every month. So it will make sure that you have enough to choose from. Let me show you like how you can build a landing page wireframe for a client like very quickly. Um, I when client asks me to build a wireframe for his landing page, I usually give him few options to choose from, and this process is time consuming because you need to think about the layout, you need to build it from scratch, and things like that. It takes time. So now let me show you how I do it with Headspin. I have this blank landing page here in Figma, and let's go and start with header. uh, just pick this header one and paste it like this. Then I need some hero section. I like, okay, this one. After that, I would like to have a content section. Let's say this one to showcase some data. Then I would like to show clients services with an image if possible. So this one will do. After that, I would like to show uh, some testimonials. Let's say what we have here. Mm, this one is nice. And after testimonials, I would like to show call to action, and this one is good too. Just paste it here. And now let's end it with a footer because this landing page is very simple. So I'm going to choose a simple footer too. All right. So as you can see, I've built a first option for this landing page like in a minute. And now what you need to do is just to go and change the text to match the content of your clients. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's how you create a wireframe, for your clients. And the cool thing about this is that we have created a simple, like a simple typography system, and a simple like color system. So if you need some different font family for these wireframes, you can simply go and change all these styles, these global styles, and all the wireframes will change as well. So you just need to change it here. So I think if you are using Figma like regularly, you will know like what to do. So, and one more cool thing is that for all the colors what we have here for the wireframes, we have created the variables for the dark mode. That means like right now this landing page, you can have a light mode, and you can also create a dark mode to send it to your client as well. Here you can just need to switch it to a dark mode, and you can see everything went to a dark mode. All right, with just one click. So that's it. That's how I usually build these wireframes with Headspin for my clients, and I think you should do it too.